We'll guide you through how to do spoiler text on Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Discord users want to hide certain messages using the spoiler feature. Other users in the channel will see the message with the spoiler effect applied to the text you wrote. The spoiler formatting will hide the message content until someone clicks on it to reveal the hidden text inside the spoiler. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. After the browser opens, click the search field at the top of the browser window. Type Discord into the search field. After typing the word, look at the search results that appear on the screen and choose the official website of Discord. Click the official Discord website to open it in your browser. When the website finishes loading, look for the login button on the page and click Login to begin signing into your account. After the login page appears, enter your email in the email field. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. After entering your email and password, click the login button to access your account. Once you click Login, follow the instructions on the screen to verify your account if verification is required. After your account is verified and you are successfully logged in, look at the list of servers that appear on the left side of the Discord interface. From this list, find the server you want to use. After locating the server, click the server icon to open it. When the server opens, look for the chat channel where you want to send your message. Once you are inside the channel, click the chat field at the bottom of the page where messages are normally typed. After placing your cursor in the chat field, type 2 vertical lines. These vertical lines are the symbol used to create spoiler text. After typing the 2 vertical lines, type the text that you want to hide as a spoiler. When you finish typing your text, type 2 vertical lines again at the end of the message. This completes the spoiler formatting around your text. After the formatting is finished, press Enter on your keyboard. When you press Enter, the message will be sent to the chat channel.